Hey yo, it's Chriso. I'm just turning the camera around, popping it on my head. It's been a good day. I'm just doing this wall now. I might even get some of that done, but I don't know, because I want to lay these tiles in here on the floor, so when I finish that tomorrow I'm able to zap these walls up tomorrow, and then I've got to waterproof that tomorrow, so I can lay it the next day. Cool. So yeah, this is I've only got a cut for that PowerPoint, so that's good. I've got no shitty cuts around pipes. You'll find it when you do your own bathroom, DIYers, that when you come out into the clear, so to speak, you'll be wrapped, because the you know, the hard part is done. So I'll just go up here. I'm super level. You know, the old saying is, when you're dead level, you're dead plumb on walls. So if you're dead level, you're nice and plumb. You don't have to check it for plumb, because it is. Your glue is always the same when you're laying floor and walls. It's the same creaminess. The only time I stiffen it up is when I'm doing a niche. I have it a bit thicker. I asked these people, do you want a niche? And they said no. So it looks like they're going to have their soap on a rope. Which was in like 20 years ago. But everyone to their choice. One more and then I'll zap some cuts in, throw that away. It's been stood on. Uh-oh. I've just noticed a corner broken, so it'll do for a cut. So we'll put it aside. All these boxes have been mistreated because they're heavy. Sort of seems like they've been sort of half thrown down. Not quite, but not gently placed. Because this is an older house, they've stripped out the whole bathroom and they've put on bigger architraves, which is so good, because now I've got a quirk to silicone to. And it's cool because you can have a little bit of a gap against your architrave and the silicone just covers it nicely, so it's good. So with an architrave that sticks out like that, it's an 18mm arc. It makes for a way better job, tidier when it's finished. Okay everyone, I don't want to have the video too long. Subscribe if you would. Thumbs up. Give it a poke. Thanks guys. Subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye.